In what is going to be probably the shortest videos in the supercross, motocross lineups for 2023, we are with the Troy Lee Designs Red Bull Gas Factory Racing Gas. Obviously, they only have 3 riders. Starting in the 250s, you have Michael Mosiman and Pierce Brown, who are both super young, very fast, and very, not injury prone, but just crash prone. You know, doing really well, tuck a front, lose some spaces. Doing really well, jump off the track, lose some spaces. Not that they're hurting themselves, but they're not being consistent. And I don't know, there's not really much to say about either one of them. They're still young, they're still developing, and being on the only 250 riders for this team, there's nobody else to really fight for the seat at the moment. You have nobody coming up behind them. You don't have the big thing of like the star racing with a bunch of people on the side. You're gonna have one guy for each coast, east west. There's no teammates, there's no nothing. I think they'll do okay. Probably another still building year for both of them, trying to be a little more consistent, a little less crash prone, and just continue to grow the speed. Going into the 450s, probably at the moment, I'm going to say, the most hated guy racing, Justin Barcia. And I'm going to say this either. You either love him or you hate him. There is no in-between for that. It's not like, whatever, Justin Barcia, what do I care? No, you either absolutely hate how he rides or you love it. Because it is. Bam Bam Barcia, he has the nickname for a reason. And especially last year, it came out a few times. Supercross taking out Bogle, and then motocross with the whole Ferrandis thing, and just, I think he's good for the sport. You can't have this like weak, nobody touch each other, everything's no rubbing his racing. No, he's got a personality, he is who he is, and you have to know it. Like, it's not like you go by him and one time he'll let you go by you perfectly fine and he'll never touch you, and next time he'll take you out. No, you know who he is. He's gonna race you hard every single pass. And I think he's good. Personally, I like Justin Barcia. I don't think he's the best rider in the world, the fastest rider in the world, but he is a competitor, and he, is a competitor for wins. It just, the consistency probably not there, but I don't know. I think he does well. He's going to be a top 5 guy this year. That's what I say. Mosiman and Pierce Brown, top 10s. Just still feeling their way into Supercross and motocross, but in the comments below, you tell me, how well do you think they're both going to do? Do you love or hate Barcia? How well do you think he's going to do? Whatever it is, do the fun things that this platform allows you to do. Like, share, subscribe, comment, because, playing the YouTube game, the algorithm is king, and it really helps me out a lot. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.